Alright, aviation fans, strap in because today I'm giving you the no-nonsense, up-to-date breakdown on who actually flies true 5th-generation stealth fighters and who's just dreaming about 6th gen. Now what even is a 5th-generation fighter? It's not just a marketing buzzword. These jets have next-level features. Stealth that makes them ghosts on radar, super cruise for supersonic sprints without guzzling fuel, insane avionics that fuse every bit of data into one pilot-friendly picture, and the kind of network warfare that would make a Bond villain jealous. Oh, and they can turn on a dime. So who's actually got these futuristic birds in the air? Only 3 countries, and let's be real, it's a pretty exclusive club. First up, the United States. The F-22 Raptor still the undisputed champ of air dominance, and the F-35 Lightning II, which is basically the Swiss Army knife of jets, flown by the US and over 17 allied nations. Russia? They've got the Su-57 Felon. It's technically operational, but only in tiny numbers, and they're still sorting out engine and production headaches. China's in the game with the Chengdu J-20. It's a twin-engine stealth fighter flying regular patrols for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. Now you might hear about South Korea's KF-21 Boramai, but right now it's mostly a 4.5 gen jet with proper stealth upgrades coming later. Turkey's TF Khan and India's AMCA, still in prototype or development stages, and Iran's Quaher 313, sorry, it's just a flashy mock-up for the camera. So for now, that's it. USA, China, Russia, the only 3 with real operational 5th gen stealth fighters. Now what about the next big leap 6th generation fighters? These things sound like science fiction. Total stealth, AI co-pilots, drone wingmen, laser weapons, hypersonic speeds, crazy good sensor fusion, and the ability to mess with enemy electronics on the fly. The US is leading the charge with the NGAD next-gen air dominance. First test flight was in 2023, aiming to enter service around 2030, and it'll replace the F-22. Europe's not far behind. The Brits, Italians, and Japanese have teamed up for GCAP, while France, Germany, and Spain are working on FCAS, both aiming for next-level stealth jets in the mid-2030s and beyond. China's rumored to be working on a so-called JXX or J-25, possibly with drone swarms. Russia keeps talking about the MiG-41, but right now, it's more of a maybe one-day project. Here's the bottom line. Only 3 countries have true operational 5th gen fighters today: the US, China, and Russia. Everyone else is playing catch-up, and 6th gen is still stuck in the test labs and PowerPoint presentations. Stealth fighter tech is brutally expensive and insanely complex. If you're not a superpower with a massive defense budget and world-class industry, good luck getting in the game. If you want to stay ahead of the dogfight, keep your eyes on the skies and watch this space. The next decade's going to be wild.